In this clip, I'd like to show you how to compose a new email. We're working today as Karen Berg, and she just got promoted at her company, Contoso. She needs to let her team know that there's a series of emails that are going to be coming through to prepare them for their meeting on Friday. So let's choose the new email button from the ribbon. The new message window appears, ready for us to address and include our content. The first thing we need to do is select our recipients. You could type them in individually, however, we can access the global address list by clicking the To button. Now, Alan Steiner is our VP of Corporate Marketing, so I need to include him on this email. So I'm going to select him here and then click the To button. Our entire sales team is also going to be included, so I'm going to go ahead and search for that group. Once your recipient is located, another way that you can add them to the To line is just to double click. We will discuss the To, the CC, and the BCC fields in a future clip. From here, I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. There we go, add the subject. And from here, you could compose a long email message. However, I've already queued up some text, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste that in. I'm going to go ahead and click the Send button. The recipient should now receive that in their email box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next clip.